Yeah, I would say the investors you choose are so important for so many reasons. Again, I mentioned like-minded investors. That's critically important. Folks who have experience in your industry and in your field and connections. We have FinTop Capital and Jam FinTop Capital. Jam FinTop is made up of 80 banks, and we sell into banks. So we have 80 kind of at-bats with those financial institutions who are now investors in Plinqit. So anytime you can match your venture capital with your mission of the company and your revenue goals, the better.
Yeah, so as a FinTech founder, a lot of the opportunity that comes with VCs can be validated through a lot of the companies in their portfolio. You know, the founder network is at times really open, and people love to pick up the phone if you have specific questions for them and they can be helpful. So, I think one of the best ways to vet potential partners and potential investors is talk to the folks they've worked with. Get a one-on-one, either over a coffee or beer can be helpful, and you get a look behind the scenes of what the value add they're actually offering is, what it's like working with them, what board meetings are like. So you really get an opportunity to look behind the scenes, going through the other founders that they've worked with.
Yeah, just like with hiring, it comes down to cultural alignment, and it comes down to just alignment on the eventual and expected outcome. For Bankjoy, Bankjoy wants to become a really big company, and to offset some of the challenges that we've seen in the industry, and we want to help community banks and credit unions become more connected with their roots, and we want investors that fall in line and are truly aligned with our mission and where we're headed.
When we're evaluating investors looking for partnerships, I think the single most important fit is philosophy. Making sure that we're really driving towards the same long-term goals in terms of supporting communities, providing education, as well as financing, really building out a more comprehensive and holistic suite of services to support our customers than just necessarily core banking products. That alignment is really critical when we're looking for new partners to bring on.
Obviously, it depends on the business and the founder. So if I look at our business and my investors, I prefer to have all my investors, and it just happens to be they're all ex-bankers and now in the venture capital world. So they've seen the problem firsthand, what it means as a banker to buy new technology for their customer outcome. And also they see, and they also have a large B2B portfolios, which means they also see the problem of fintechs trying to get into banks to solve a particular problem. So that's how I see, that's how I kind of filter the venture capitalists that I'm speaking to, prior banking experience, yeah.